Yeah. Yeah. Daddy and MJ are grilling right now. No, put it down.
What put it down?
Put it there in the griller.
I'm so scared.
No. Don't be scared. Sige na, ipatong mo na. Dun sa taas, yung griller.
Dad, can you help me? I'm so scared.
Okay, the two boys are grilling. Come on, you put it na, MJ. Oh, get more. Give Daddy the whole plate.
I'm about to cry because
You're about to cry?
the smoke.
Sino nag-away sa'yo, bebe? Kala ko si Daddy. Daddy's little helper. And also the pork. You get a plate of pork. Ah, grabe pug aso, oy. Dali, ihatag na ng Daddy aron makaalis ka na dyan. Grabe yung smoke. Thank you, little bunny. Use the phone. Oh yeah. We are grilling right now for dinner. Put more, Daddy. Put more pork.